In this video, I'm going to share 5 best affiliate marketing programs that you can join to make money within 2024. So there has been a lot of questions from people asking, what product should I promote? What niche are the best one? How much can I make from this? And so I wanted to delve into this and share some of the programs that we are in, and then also some of the programs that I think have the best opportunity this year in 2024. I think there's going to be something in here for everyone, whether you are an influencer, a blogger, whether you are like the finance niche or beauty or lifestyle. There's something in here that I think is going to be valuable to you, and also this can be helpful for opening up new opportunities where maybe you haven't thought of a specific niche and you're looking for something to kind of grow your affiliate marketing business. Then this could be valuable. And if you're new here to the channel, make sure you subscribe and you don't miss more videos like this. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Now, the first affiliate program that I need to include here is one you have already heard of, but it's just kind of a necessary one that I think everyone should start with, is Amazon